Welcome back, Charlie. We're doing another hair transformation. Now, this client has a head full of hair. Sometimes she deals with a little bit thinning at her stress point. But, oh, child, look at her. She's so happy. That's what I'm talking about. So, today we are doing this style online, honey. And, as you see, we cornrowed her hair. This is going to be a crochet combination. Okay, baby. Child, I'm getting tongue-tied. I'm getting so excited. So now, as you see, we applied some growth oils. Now, we did, again, the weed doctor does not believe in doing excess tight braiding. And if you guys want to find out more about if you're trying to grow out your hair or recover from your alopecia, make sure to check out our e-courses where we discuss how to regrow your hair back. And it's for all types. All right, so now with this style, it's a half up, half down hair transformation. And child, we had to bring out the daggone hot comb from back from the Mississippi times, okay? Now, so I guess you can use wax for this. This is how you're going to get it straight. So this has to be flat ironed using this pressing comb. You got to go in small sections too if you want to get super straight. Now, this client already has previously relaxed tresses. And, she probably has like a half an inch worth of new growth. So, we have to still do what it do because I'm noticing with some of these styles, especially with the crochets, if they have very thick, coarse hair, as this kind, she has very thick hair, then it needs to be, prior to the installation, the hair probably needs to be flat ironed around them edges, this child, if you don't want to be looking like Puff the Magic Dragon. Okay. So now we are doing this technique, and baby, this technique, I believe, came back like in the 80s and the 90s and the early 2000s, and oh, girl, look at the photo results! Honey, child is giving brats. Look at her looking so cute. I remember the brat used to wear her hair in a lot of different styles like this. And this is a wonderful protective style as long as you don't put the edges is too tight, them daggone rubber bands. Now, some people are doing it even without rubber bands. But girl, ain't she just looking cute? Girl, look at her with her little puff balls. Yes, I rock rough and tough with my Afro puffs. Okay, girl, rock on with your bad self. And look, we even put it up in another ponytail. Child, okay, it's given Khadijah, child from Living Color.
In the 90s,
yes, absolutely amazing.